HRD of Korea has been changed our course. So the new course is in front of me. This is our first book. So I decided to complete this course with English, with easy English. So let's started our first chapter. This is 자기소개. 자기소개 is self introduction. This is the appearance and starting of this chapter. Like you will learn greetings. He is saying, "One nara saram imnika." Imnika is used for asking question. On which nara country saram is person, imnika for asking. From where you are, Chonan. This person in answering Chonan, I am Nepal saram imnida. I am from Nepal. Now in this chapter, you will learn month of grammar, Imida and Imnika, and un and none Korean particle. And in vocabulary, you will learn Nara Iram, country names, and Chikop Myong, occupations. And in culture and information section, you will learn Korean greeting manners. Insa is greeting and usual air manners. So you will learn greetings and occupations. 어느 나라 사람인지 묻고 대답할 수 있습니다. 어느 나라, which country, 사람, you are, 인지, mud is asking, go, and you can also ask and answer. 대답 is answer, 할 수 있어요 is can do. You can ask and give the answer about where you are, what is your country. And also, chigop is profession, more what. 인지 is would ask go and 대답 answer 할 수 있어요. 할 수 있습니다. You can ask and answer if someone asks you about your occupation. Now, the vocabulary 1. Ohvi is vocabulary. Nara Iram is country names. These are country names like Hanguk is Korea, Nepal is Nepal, Thondemor is East Timor. Laos is Laos, Mongolia, Myanmar is Myanmar, Bangladesh, Vietnam is Vietnam, Sri Lanka is Sri Lanka, Uzbekistan is Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Chongok is China, Cambodia is Cambodia, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Teguk is Thailand, Pakistan is Pakistan, and Philippines is Philippines. Now, the change is in Korea, Hanguk in China, Chunguk, and in Thailand, Teguk. Now, there are some vocabulary also following below. On is which, Saram is person, Iram is name, Kukchok is nationality, Nugu is who. Now you can point out these country names by their flags. Like Nepal is here, Vietnam is here, Vietnam. Then Cambodia is here, okay. Then Myanmar is here, and Indonesia is here, okay. Now there is Munpab. Munpab is grammar. In the simple words, Imida used for answer and Imnika used for asking question. This is Ibnida in writing. Ibnida and Ibnika. But you must say Imnida and Imnika. Okay. Now there are some examples. Pogi. This is Pogi. Like this, you can make here some sentences. Here is the person name is Akung and Kukjok. Nationality is Tungdemur. He is saying, 안녕하세요. 아쿵입니다. I am Akung. Tungdemur 사람입니다. I am from Tungdemur. You can make some sentences like Ali. Okay? Ali. And Kukjok is Pakistan. Pakistan. Now, Ali will say, 안녕하세요. 저는 알리입니다. 파키스탄 사람입니다. 파키스탄 사람입니다. Now, there is also a pogi, and you will make the sentences with these persons. The person here in pogi is Philippine 사람. 어느 나라 사람입니까? If you want to say someone asking from where you are, you will say 어느 나라 사람입니까? The person will say, if he is from Philippines, he will say 필리핀 사람입니다. Now, here is 태국 사람. 태국 사람입니다. He will say Myanmar 사람입니다. He will say Cambodia 사람입니다. Bangladesh 사람 will say Bangladeshi 사람입니다. Now, next is Thewa. So, let's get started and listen what these two persons are talking.
안녕하세요. 아궁입니다. 동티모르 사람입니다.
안녕하세요. Hello. 아콩입니다. I am 아콩. 동대문 is country name. 사람입니다. I am from 동대문.
안녕하세요. 마두입니다.
안녕하세요. Hello. 마두입니다. I am 마두. His name is 마두.
어느 나라 사람입니까?
어느 나라, which country? 사람, person. Imika asking which country you are, from you are.
네팔 사람입니다.
Nepal 사람입니다. I am from Nepal. Now, there are some questions, two questions about this conversation. You will answer. 아콩 어느 나라 사람입니까? Now, 아콩 is here. 동대문. You will answer 동대문 사람입니다. You will answer in 입니다. The next question is 마두 어느 나라 사람입니까? 마두 is from Philippines. You will say Philippine 사람입니다. She is Phuong and she is from Vietnam. 누구입니까? Who are you? Phuong입니다. I am Phuong. 어느 나라 사람입니까? From where you are? Vietnam 사람입니다. I am from Vietnam. Now, this is your practice. Change your person name and country name. Now, we will say 누구입니까? 다란두입니다. 어느 나라 사람입니까? 스리랑카 사람입니다. Now, this is pronunciation. 발음.
1, 아, 어, 오,
This is a. This is o. This is o.
2, 아기, 어제, 오리,
This is 아기, 어제, 오리. Now we have OV2, vocabulary number 2, which is about 직업명. 직업명 is actually occupations. 학생, student. 선생님, teacher. 회사원 is company employee. 근로자 is worker. 경찰관, police officer. 소방관, firefighter. 공무원, public official. 첨원, clerk. 의사, doctor. 간호사, nurse. 요리사, cook. 운전기사 is driver. 기술자 is technician. 목수, carpenter. 농부, farmer. 어부, fisherman. There are some other vocabulary words. She is for used like Mr., Mrs. and cho is I. Anya is no and ne is yes. Now you can point out as per pictures like this person. The first one is Muksu, carpenter. Other one is Havesawan, company employee. Next is Obu, fisherman. Next is Nongbu, farmer. Then 기술자 is technician. Let's come to the grammar number 2. Monophobe is grammar. Now the grammar is about an, and none. Actually, these are Korean particles which we can attach with the nouns, like names, like persons. If the last letter of your person name is ending with consonant, then you will put an. If vowel, then you will put none. Like Phacham. Phacham is consonant. Phachami opsomeon, you will add none. Like if the last letter is vowel, then you will add none. There are some practice. Lily, she, last is vowel, none. Nachanan. Nachanan is also a name. Nachanan, none. Okay, un, because last is consonant. Chisushinan. Akhong un. Kariman. Sophika none. Okay, if a word is coming, ending point is vowel, then none. If a consonant, then you will add un. Now this is an example Phogi, and you will make some sentences. Now this person is Khallo, and his chikop is, by profession he is a Galoja. Galoja is worker. He will say Khallonan. Galoja Imida. Khallo is a worker. Now here are our names, and the following is chikop professions. Now his name is Iban. Iban, the last letter is consonant. Then we will say Ibanan. Chikop is Muksu. Ibanan Muksu Imnida. The second one is, her name is Suru. Suru, the last letter is vowel. We will add nun. Suru nun. Khan Husa Imnida. Next is Adit. Adit un, because last letter is consonant. Aditan. Havesavon Imnida. The last one is Monica. Monica, last letter is vowel, then we will add nun. Monica nun. Sonsengnim Imnida. Now Theva 2, let's listen.
안녕하세요. 저는 니차난입니다. 태국 사람입니다.
안녕하세요. Hello. 저는 I am Nichanan. Nichanan is her name. 태국 사람입니다. I am from Thailand.
안녕하세요. 저는 칼로입니다. 필리핀 사람입니다.
안녕하세요. Hello. 저는 I am 칼로입니다. I am 칼로. 필리핀 사람입니다. I am from Philippines.
칼로 씨는 학생입니까?
She is asking 칼로 씨는, 학생 is student. Imnika asking, are you a student?
아니요. 저는 근로자입니다.
아니요, no. Galoja. 저는 I am. Galoja is worker. Imnida, I am a worker. Now, there are some questions, 2 questions you will answer. Okay, Nachanan onenara saram imnika. She is from Theguk. You will say Theguk saram imnida. Next is Khallo hakseng imnika. You can say Aniyo Galoja imnida. Now, here is an example, and you will change these sentences with these words. Okay, the example based on these words. Lily she. Lily she는 중국 사람입니까? Are you from China? 네, yes. 저는 I'm 중국 사람입니다. I'm from China. Lily she는 회사원입니까? Are you a company employee? 아니요, no. 저는 학생입니다. I am a student. Now we will change the words. 파트 씨는 몽골 사람입니까? 네, 저는 몽골 사람입니다. 파트 씨는 근로자 학생입니까? 아니요, 저는 근로자입니다. Okay? Now there is param. Let's listen this.
잘 부탁드립니다.
안녕하세요. 처음 뵙겠습니다.
안녕하세요. 잘 부탁드립니다.
Okay, 잘 부탁드립니다 is also used with if you are saying nice to meet you. The one person is saying 안녕하세요. 처음. 처음 means first time. Pibgesam is I am glad to meet you first time. The other person saying 안녕하세요. 잘 부탁드립니다. 잘 부탁드립니다 is also used for saying nice to meet you. Okay. Now there is culture and information. You can read. There is everything available in English. Everything you can understand after reading it. Now ilki and titki of every chapter I will make the video separately because the length of this video will go high if I include everything in one video. So thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye.